There's him.
What are you doing, buddy?
Getting the ball. Here he goes. I think he knows what he gets if he brings it all the way back here.
He definitely wants another chip.
Are there chips over here, folks? Can I have one?
Would you like one? Here. No, you already have one, silly.
Whoa, now I got two. Awesome. Where's your ball? You gonna go and get it? You're gonna leave it down there. Okay, off you go.